Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today, let's look at some words that are essential for school-going students and even their parents. Not only for school-going students and parents, even this can be useful for each one of you watching this video. You know why? These are very basic English words. And I don't want to call them just words, they are the essential vocabulary. If you need to improve your vocabulary, you need to start from the beginning. So this is the beginning. Some essential vocabulary you need to know. These are some words that can be useful in our everyday life, not only for students but all of you. So watch this video till the end to improve your vocabulary, to learn new words, to understand this word means this. First, let's set the scene. Let this be a school, and what will be the first thing you see there? Those are the desks and chairs. Desks are the place we used to keep something on. And the chairs are the place where we sit. And desk and chair are not only used in school but everywhere. Everywhere they are known as desks and chairs. Now let's move on to the student survival kit. So what does a student survival kit include? Just kidding, I'm talking about the backpack. What is a backpack? Not only for students, anyone carrying a bag behind on the back usually used to keep books. For students and for other items, we keep a laptop or anything is known as a backpack. This is a backpack. See, it can be carried on the back. This is a backpack. Now the next one is lunchbox. It's a container to carry meals. Even when you go for work, you carry a lunchbox with you. If not a lunchbox, you will have a snack box. Textbook. It's a book used for studying particular subject. You know those printed books? For each subject you have different textbooks. Notebook. This is a notebook. It is a book with ruled or blank pages. This is a ruled notebook. So, notebook is usually used to write notes on. You know, in my school time, I had a lot of notebooks, each one for each subject. I had one for math, I had for English, for science, for language. I had different notebooks. And you know, my backpack was so heavy because I had to carry each textbook and notebook. I know all the school-going students will be facing the same problem, but once you reach college, you are lucky. You just need one notebook. Why? You will be writing everything on a single notebook. These days, I think notebook is not even carried to school because we have notes online. All our notes are uploaded online. So it's really easy these days. The next one is a pencil case. See, this is my cute pencil case. I have all stationery items in this pencil case. So pencil case is where you keep your pen, pencils or any other writing tools. And the next one, I think all of you are familiar because we call a pen and a pencil, a pen and a pencil everywhere, no? In all the languages, I think we don't have a different word for pen and pencil. I'm not sure about it. Sorry if I'm mistaken, but in my native language and all, we say this one pencil and this one pen. Now the next one is eraser. You know what an eraser is? An eraser is used to erase something wrong that we wrote with a pencil. Any mistake we wrote with a pencil can be erased with an eraser. Eraser. See, this is my new eraser. I haven't opened it yet. And it's cute. Small one. Cute. And this one is a sharpener. It's used to sharpen your pencils. You can sharpen your pencils using a sharpener. The next one is colored pencils. See, these are really beautiful, right? They are in different colors. These are colored pencils usually used for drawing. Colored pencils. These are colored pens or markers. They are also used for drawing or also for writing. These are colored pens or markers. The next one is ruler. I have shown the pictures of items I don't have with me. So ruler is an object used to measure and draw straight lines. So a ruler is used to draw straight lines. Then there are highlighters. Highlighters comes in different colors. We used to emphasize text with highlighters. We usually used to mark the important texts or words with this highlighter to make it more emphasized, or to see it immediately, or to know that it is really important. The next one is sticky notes. Sticky notes are really cute little note paper for temporary notes. It can be sticked on a surface and it can be removed easily. Sticky notes are really cute. That little books that comes in very bright colors, orange, yellow, pink colors. I really love sticky notes. I had a lot of them when I was a kid. I just collect those sticky notes. I never use it because I didn't know what it was used for when I was young. But I had those sticky notes and little diaries, that cute little diaries with Barbies and different dolls on it in very bright colors. I had a lot of stationery items with me when I was young. I never use any of it, but I like collecting those items. Still, I love such things, but I never tell anyone. I usually buy when I see them. And I usually keep it secret. I don't want anyone to know. Still, I'm obsessed with those items. The next word is scissors. We use scissors to cut something. It's a cutting tool. The next one, glue stick. Glue stick is used to stick papers or other materials together. If you want to stick two papers, you will just apply the glue stick on it and you will stick them together and they will be stick together. We cannot remove them separately. So glue stick is an adhesive used to stick items together. Whiteboard. It's a smooth, erasable writing surface, usually white in color, and hence it is known as whiteboard. Blackboard. Blackboard is also a smooth writing surface, usually black in color. And these days blackboards are not so common. We see whiteboards everywhere. We write on it with a chalk. C-H-A-L-K, chalk. We write on it with a chalk. The next one is homework. I know many of your face has become so sullen because you hate homeworks. I hated homework a lot. You know what a homework is? For those who don't know, homeworks are usually tasks given by teachers that we need to do outside the classroom. So it is known as homework, something we need to do outside the classroom. And you know what? Even during my college days, we used to get homeworks and we usually do it from class the next morning. Before the teacher enters, we remember we have to complete the homework right then and there. And we just grab someone else's book who have completed it and we'll copy the same thing there. It was really nice, the school days and college days. We had a lot of fun there. We have a lot of memories there. Oh, sorry. I think I'm deviated from the topic. Now let's move on. The next word is classmates. Classmates are the fellow students from the same class. The students studying in the same class are classmates. Playground. It's an outdoor area where students play and enjoy and where they engage in different activities. Library. It's a place where books are kept for borrowing or for reference. We had a library period. We used to go to the library in that period. It was really nice. Our library was so big, it's usually silent there because we always have a board silence in the library. So guys, these are some basic words you need to know in English. Understanding these words in English can make your educational journey smoother. Most of the words in this session are not only used in schools but also outside schools. Even if you're in an office or at your home, you use these words regularly. So this session is not only for students and parents but for all of you. You all should understand these words, learn these words. These are very basic words and please don't think why did she do on such basic things? You might know these words, but there are people who are struggling to learn English, who are just starting English. They need to know these words. Some students, they might be using a wrong word for some of this. So they need to change. We all need to change. We all need to understand. This is all for today, guys. I hope you all like this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.